Hello and welcome back. In the earlier session, we have seen there are three types of applications which can be developed across mobile platform. Those are native, web apps, and hybrid. In this session, we will take a look at what is the difference between a native, a web app, and a hybrid app. We will start off with native. What is a native app? A native app is an app which are specific to that particular platform. As we know that there are two widely used platform, one is iOS and the other one is Android. Those applications which are specifically developed for these platforms are called native applications. They cannot be used across the platform. That means those applications which are developed for iOS cannot be used on Android platform. These are platform and device specific. The applications which are developed for iOS are written using Objective-C, and those which are developed for Android will use Java. Since these are specific to that particular device and platform, they provide access to all the controls like cameras, sensors, contacts, etc. And generally these applications are downloaded from your App Store or Play Store. Now we will move on to web apps. Web apps are those applications which can be accessed through a web browser. These are the applications which are developed using HTML, CSS and JavaScript or any web technologies. These web apps doesn't need a specific installation on a device, but it can be accessed through a web browser such as Opera, Chrome or Firefox. These web applications will not have full access to the native device functionalities and its features. Let us look at what is hybrid apps. Hybrid apps are those apps which combines the features of native as well as web applications. Like native applications, these applications are also downloaded from either App Store or Play Store. Like web application, hybrid applications will also render HTML content into a browser which is embedded within the app. Like web apps, these hybrid apps are also developed using web technologies such as HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, etc. It will also have access to the device features such as camera, sensors, contacts, etc. Let us quickly take a look at what are the advantages of each of these. The native apps are fast, and these apps can be easily distributed using either App Store or Play Store. And native apps can easily interact with any features of the phone. The disadvantages of native apps are it is built for a single platform and it is expensive to develop since it can work only on a single platform, and it is hard to maintain because of multiple devices and multiple platforms. The disadvantages of web apps are it depends on the internet speed and it doesn't take advantage of the device features, and it will also have a security risk like any web applications. Let us move on to hybrid apps. Hybrid apps are easy to build and it is much cheaper compared to your native app, and it is a single app for multiple platforms and it doesn't need any browser. And the disadvantage is it is slower than native app and it is less interactive than native app.